Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how we can make a GMB profile of our business. So for instance, I have a website of a company which is based in UK, and that's a furniture company. So I'll be making a GMB profile of that business. So here's the website, dreamfurnitures.co.uk. So first thing you need to do is you have to link your website with the Google Search Console. So it will make it easy for the Google to verify that this business belongs to you. So let's start. So first we will go to Business Profile Manager section. Okay, and here we'll click on Add Businesses. Okay, our merchant center is already on this Gmail, so I'm going to select next. Here I'm going to write the name of the business. It's Dream Furnitures, and the category will be furniture store. Click next. In this section, it's optional. Like if your business have a physical location and you want customers to visit your place or store like that, you can simply select yes, otherwise no. So for the moment, for this business, they have physical warehouse, but I'll be selecting no because they don't have anything in the display. So they are not allowing customers to visit their places. So here I'll be writing the places like London and United Kingdom. Then I click next, and I have a UK mobile number for that business, which I'll be writing on this. So make sure you don't miss this section. Otherwise, when creating a GMB, the Google will ask you to verify this, and if you don't put the number, then they will give you the options like write down the code sent via post or other things like that. So those things will take time. So when you put the number, there are chances that you will get the verification simply on text, and that's the easiest and quickest way to verify your GMB profile. Here I'll be putting down the website. Okay, now it's asking me to put down the business address. So I'll just go to their website and simply copy paste this address. Then I'll select next. Okay, so you see now they have given different options to verify the business. So the first one is via code or voice call on this number, which I asked you, you must put the phone number in your GMB profile. The other one is Gmail. So whatever domain you have, whatever website you have written, you should make one email address with that domain, and they'll send you the code on that email, and you can simply verify your business by putting the code which the Google sent you on that email. And the last one is business video. This one is complicated because it will ask you to record a video and the products you have in that store. Let's say if you are making a GMB profile of any store in which you are selling products, so those products must have your uh, business logos or things like that, which prove that these things belong to you or your business. So I think the phone number is the easiest one, or you can get an email via code via email. So I'll be using this option. Okay. And let's see if I get a yeah, I received this code. So let me just verify this. Yeah, so the number is verified, but still Google will take like 4 to 5 days to make sure this business belong to us. So I'll just simply click next. Okay, and I'll skip all these things. You have to write the description of your business, the pictures of the products to just fully complete your GMB profile. So yeah, our GMB profile is created, but it's not yet completely verified by Google. So it's showing Google is processing verification. It may take up to 5 days. So in most cases, you will get an email in 2 to 3 working days, and your profile will be live. So that's how you make the GMB profile for your businesses, and you can do the local SEO and get the clients for free. So that's all for now. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.